If you are a mom struggling with diastasis recti, this is for you. Before every workout, inhale through nose, let your belly rise and expand ribs. Exhale through mouth. Draw your belly button in. Squeeze pelvic floor muscles like you are stopping the flow of urine. This is diaphragm breathing. Diaphragm breathing is foundation of all core workouts. We'll move on to the next one in this video. Next, we're gonna do heel slides and we apply the diaphragm breathing. So lie down on the mat like this. Slide each heel at a time. When you extend your leg, exhale and keep your core tight. When you bring the leg back, inhale, raise your belly. Exhale, core tight. Inhale, relax. Do this 10 times, 3 sets at least. Next one is glute bridge march. So lie down like this on the mat. Avoid excessive arching on the back. And lift one leg at a time like you are marching. When the leg goes up, exhale, keep your core tight like you are stopping the flow of urine. When the leg goes down, inhale, raise your belly. Next, we will move on to heel taps. In this, lie down on the mat like this. And now, bend your legs at 90-degree angle. Try to bring one foot at a time. Tap the mat with your toes. When you go your leg down, exhale, core tight. When you bring it up, inhale, relax. Exhale, core tight. Inhale, relax. Try to do it 10 times under 3 sets. Deep core engagement definitely takes some practice. If you don't get it for the first time, don't worry. In this workout, keep a water bottle in the middle. Try to move your legs on either side of the bottle. When you lift your leg, exhale, keep your core tight. When you bring the leg down, inhale, relax. Exhale, core tight. Inhale, relax. So practice these workouts 3 to 4 times a week to see the results. Consistency beats perfection. Comment below how many fingers DR you have and if you are struggling to heal DR. Follow for more DR safe workouts. See you in the next video.